Good morning children. Welcome to the math class. Today we will do exercise 12.2, question number 1, chapter 12, algebraic expression. Simplify combining like terms. Now you all are familiar with the term like terms. So like terms means you have to concentrate on the variables and their powers. When the variables and their powers are same, you can do addition and subtraction, any mathematical operation with these terms. Now, the question is 21b minus 32 plus 7b minus 20b. So, that here we can see that this variable 21b, 7b and 20b have same variables, so they are like terms. We will combine them in this way. Now, 21b plus 7b minus 20b, and this one is a constant term and it is not like term, so this all these variables are b. Here it is a constant term, so I am keeping it separately. 21 plus 7 28 b minus 20b, 20 plus 7 21 plus 7 28b minus 20b and minus 32 as it is. Now we can see that 8b minus 32, and this is the end of this sum because there are no like terms remain here. Whatever the sums we have done for addition and subtraction, possible addition and subtraction we have completed, and this is the answer. Next question. Question number 2, z square plus 13z square minus 5z plus 7z cube minus 15z. So z square, these are like terms. So minus z square plus 13z square, they are already arranged in such a way that like terms are side by side. So what we can do, 13z square and plus 13z square minus z square, different sign you will do subtraction, and 12z square from 13 1 is subtracted and it will be larger number sign will come. So 12z square, understood? Now it will be 12z square minus 5z minus 15z minus 5z minus 15z plus 7z cube. Now 12z square is alone here, no z square variable is not there. Z is there but the powers only 2 is alone here. Now 5z minus 5z and minus 15z both have variable z, they are like terms, and same sign, you know that same sign we have to add. We will add them 5 and 15, it will be 20, and the available sign minus will come in from 20z plus 7z cube. Now see, our sum is over here because it is z square, it is z and it is z cube. No like terms remain. So our sum is over here. Next sum. Question number 3. P minus q inside the bracket. So minus q minus q inside the bracket. First of all, I want to open the bracket. Minus sign is outside, so be careful. P minus minus plus q minus plus q minus minus plus p. Now minus p and plus p, same variable with different sign we can cancel. Q plus q minus q also cancelled out. Now plus p minus q only remain, and we can write this is the answer only. Two variables are not same, so p and q plus p minus q. Okay, now come to the next sum. Question number 4. 3a minus 2b minus ab minus a minus b plus ab plus 3ab minus plus b minus c. Long sum. So what you can do, we have to open the bracket, then we will arrange them according to their like terms, then simplify. 3a minus 2b minus ab minus. Now we will open the bracket, minus is outside, so all the sign will be changed as minus is outside. Minus a, minus minus plus b, minus plus minus ab. Done. After that, plus 3ab as it is given here, plus b minus a. Now find out how many like terms are there. 3a minus a minus a. So 3a minus a minus a. Now minus 2b. Minus 2b plus b plus b. Minus 2b plus b plus b. Now minus ab. Minus ab minus ab plus 3ab. They are like terms. According to the like terms, I have arranged them serially. Now after that, 3a minus 2a, because they both are same sign, we need to add them, 1a plus minus 1 and then minus 2a. Next, minus 2b, b plus b plus 2b, because we are adding them, this available sign I have given in front. Minus ab, it will be minus 2ab plus 3ab plus 3ab, this one I have written here. Now minus 2a and plus 3a minus 2a. I can write only one because from 3a I am subtracting 2a. Minus 2b plus 2b, we can cancel it, and plus 3ab minus ab, minus 2ab, so plus ab. Okay. Now question number 5. See the question, 5x square y minus 5x square plus 3yx square minus 3y square plus x square minus y square plus 8xy square minus 3y square. Here what I have to arrange here according to the like terms first. 5x square y. Is there any x square y? Yes, this is x square y. But this is xy square. We will not take this. 3y x square, 3y x square. Now 5x square minus 5x square. Is there any x square sign? Is there? Yes. Plus x square. Plus x square. Now this 3 we have already written, minus 3y square. Minus 3y square minus y square minus 3y square minus y square minus another 3y square. After that only 8 plus 8x y square is left. Write it as it is. Now both have positive signs, so we will add them. 8x square y, 8x square y minus, alphabetically we will write, though they have given in a different way, but we can arrange them and we can write alphabetically. Minus 5x square plus x square. So 4x square, we need to subtract and larger number sign will come in front. Minus 3y square minus y square. 4y square and 3y square minus 7y square. All have same sign, so we have added them and available sign I have written. Then plus 8x y square. So now we can see that no like terms remain. 8x square y, 8x y square. So they are not like terms, and it is very clear that 4x square is not like terms to any of them, and 7y square also not very same like terms of any of them. So this is the answer of this sum. So I hope if you practice all these sums and arrange them according to their like terms and practice it properly, it will be easy for you. Thank you, students.